Whole house water filter system. Reduce harmful impurities from your entire home's water with Express Water's 3-stage water filtration system and easy-to-replace water filter replacement cartridges. Long-lasting water filtration. The highest quality, long-lasting materials give you up to 100,000 gallons of water filtration depending on incoming water quality. Heavy metal water filter. Protect your home from dangerous impurities with the advanced KDF heavy metal filter, which combines catalytic carbon and high-purity ionically charged copper and zinc granules to reduce heavy metals, iron, lead, nickel, chromium and more. Save time and money. High-capacity filters will efficiently and effectively filter your water without loss of pressure. Please be informed, whole house systems are installed at the main water supply line for the purpose of treating all incoming water in your home or business. Unlike reverse osmosis systems, whole house systems will not reduce total dissolved solids, TDS. If you are searching for a filter that reduces TDS, see our Express Water reverse osmosis systems. Easy to replace water filter cartridges. All Express Water whole house water filter replacement cartridges are designed for quick and easy replacement to keep your system up and running. Sediment filter. Keep the most damaging sediments out of your water with Express Water's 4-layer smart water filter design. Catch and filter the largest impurities in the filter's outer layers, while inner layers catch the finer impurities, giving you the longest lasting and effective water filtration system for your home. Carbon water filter. Efficient tight-packed carbon granules give you the efficient high-capacity filtration you need in your whole home water filtration system. Vacuum-heated organic coconut shell carbon provides an added layer of filtration with the freshest taste. Take care of your home, protect our plants, give healthier water to your pets, and extend the life of your dishwasher, laundry machine, and other appliances through proper and efficient 3-stage water filtration. On-demand support. Support from experts who can answer any of your questions about your replacement water filters. Trust Express Water. Choose the best filters for home filtration and make your house a clean water house today. Top reviews from the United States. So grateful. I moved to a rural area in the southeast from Colorado, where we had the best well water, and the water smelled like a bad perm. We were told to empty the hot water heater, which we did, and it helped. But it wasn't as good as our Colorado water, despite having a well here in Alabama. I didn't even want to cook spaghetti in the water and certainly wouldn't make tea with it or drink it straight. I held my breath when I showered and sometimes could smell that perm smell after washing my hair, despite not having had a perm since the 1980s. As a mechanical moron, I had a plumber install this for me, though reviews say it's easy peasy to install. The difference is huge. Some things I buy on Amazon are nice to have, but this was nothing short of life-changing. My fear was it would help a little, but I finally feel safe using my water for absolutely everything, and it's 99.9% as good as my Colorado well water. But I'm fussy, truly, I'm so grateful and relieved to have clean water at last.